Let's try the local skip. But that V Mr. Play-Doh head play foam ice cream mistakes. I did not allow this one. What are your choices on the second? This one is smoking. This one don't have legs.
Oh, it looks like you bought ice cream. Can you give me some? Sure thing.
Some?
What flavor would you like? Can I have some strawberry
Having the first flavor. What?
flavored ice cream? Sure thing. Give me 1 second. Let's use the scooper. Here's 1 giant scoop of strawberry ice cream. Let's put it on a cone.
Cone.
And here's 1 strawberry ice cream scoop on the
Strawberry ice cream.
All right, baby grandpa. Here you go. Say ah. Oh. Ice cream
Cup, please.
first.
Yum, 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 yum. Yum.
Now
The
the cone.
cone. Yes, yum, 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 yum.
Yum! Oh, wait! It feels like there's something stuck in the back of my throat. Whoa, baby grandpa.
A toy. What?
You just burst out a surprise toy. Awesome. It's a Minecraft Series 9 blind box.
It's a Minecraft Halloween one.
Mello was involved in one of the biggest trades in NBA. Just all of a sudden having to pick up and move to New York.
There's a black packaging.
That's all over.
We got Gasto Lantern. What a clever name.
Let's do a group shot, the whole crew. Come on, baby.
I want to eat
Clever name.
And the family to support me through it.
Something ice cream what?
Can you scoop
Can you go to the dentist?
some blueberry flavored ice cream?
Blueberry flavor.
So you have no
Coming
choice
right
but to
up.
bond with the people around you because you need them.
Here's a big scoop of blueberry ice cream.
Big scoop of blueberry ice cream.
Put it on the cone.
Put it on the cone.
Sit right here, baby. Sit right here, baby. Baby, right here.
And here's your blueberry ice cream scoop.
Blueberry ice cream swoop.
Right here.
What?
The cone.
Right here. He's going to his room after this for sure. Right here. Right here.
Say ah.
Ready?
Say oh.
No, right here. Smile like you're happy.
That's a good.
That's right.
Here comes the cone.
Bro, you could eat the chip.
Last season,
Whoa.
Court Life Drake is driving me crazy.
Happy Places.
This is amazing.
It's a Disney Happy Places surprise toy, but that's a book. It's not a book, it's a toy set.
Got a Disney Happy Places one. Let's check it out.
Could you turn that away from one second? While the buzzing about the Knicks player has a baby by another woman in NYC. Chauncey, his wife is upset.
We found Cinderella home
He was
decor.
included in the Mellow trade.
Cinderella home decors.
Man, we weren't. Your life literally changes like that.
It said you have found Cinderella home decors.
That's what it's all about. And tonight, you know how you accuse sexual workers of men.
Today we got a bag, a purse, and a compact.
Purse bag.
Here's a closer look at the bag. Here's a closer look at the purse.
The purse looks weird.
And here's a closer look at the
The contact looks like a circle.
compact. Now let's set all of the items on top of this purple table.
No kidding.
And here are all of Cinderella's decors.
Raw. Yummy, yummy, a tummy, tummy, a bubble, rubber, a couple, a couple.
Little bee and me.
Oh, no, it's resetting. Why? I said I had a YouTube premium.
The lockout is over. You would think after the lockout things would kind of calm down a bit. Seems not happening.
That's the cool. Oops, wrong part.
Don't you think you've had enough? What flavor should I try next? Can I?
You should try next. Try the orange? What?
Try the orange flavor? Don't you think you've had enough ice cream for today? Oh, can I just have one more scoop, please? All right, but this is the last one, okay? Yay! Okay, this will be my last one. Can you give it to me in a cup this time? I ate too many cones. All right, you got it. Here's
He ate too many cones? What?
a big scoop of orange ice cream. Let's put it in a cup. And here's an orange ice cream scoop in a cup.
Orange ice cream scoop in a cup.
Here you go, baby grandpa. Oh,
We'll use the plastic spoon to do that.
that was delicious. Oh, I think there's something caught in my throat again.
Caught in your throat again.
Yes, your burps are magical. We got another surprise toy. This time it's a Shopkins World Vacation surprise toy.
Shopkins pack. There are 2 recycle packs.
Our first Shopkins is Rolla Kate. Here's a closer look at Rolla Kate.
Look closer at Roll again.
And our second Shopkins is Tia Ice.
The ice cream taco. What? I don't know what is this. It's the 204 item.
Taco. Here's a closer look at Tia Ice Cream Taco. Thank you for the ice cream. It was very delicious.
Harry the Whistles.
Whoa, baby grandpa, what happened to your teeth? What do you mean? Look at your teeth. It
Oh no, he needs to go to the dentist.
looks like you have cavities. Ow! Why would you do that? That really hurt. Oh, that's
Hurt?
not good. Looks like we have to take you to the dentist. Hey, welcome to the dentist. Can you please open your mouth so I can take a look at your teeth? I'll start by checking your teeth out with this mouth mirror. Okay. I'm starting to see the problem here. Let's check the top.
Both of these two.
I see there's a problem up here too. Okay, I know what to do. All right, baby grandpa, you have a few bad teeth. This pink one right
Batsy, pink one, blueberry one, and orange
here. This blue one.
blue one,
And this orange
pink
one.
one, orange one.
Ah,
And what and? I don't know what is and.
going to start by removing the bad teeth with this drill.
Spinners. Woo.
Start with this pink one.
What is that? Chocolate? You got chocolate on there?
Oh no.
You don't know when it's off. Take it off. There you go.
Tag got Emma.
You don't want no chocolate on a sock. Oh, it's from
And
your
last but
Reese's,
not
I
least,
bet.
this orange one.
I bet it's from your Reese's. From your Reese's? Oh, no, you haven't had that yet. Maybe it was from your ice cream.
Now
It's
I'll
very
use the
nice.
pliers to remove the bad teeth.
Cold, but no, I ripped the wrong app.
Looks like that's a blueberry accident. This looks like a blueberry accident. And this looks like an orange accident. Don't worry, baby grandpa. I'll make some new teeth
Are you calling it accidents?
for you right away.
Oops, accident. The act.
Perfect. Now
A perfect stroke. Oops, I went the wrong. What? This one was the no first.
baby grandpa his new teeth.
Cheating when your man is in Portland and you haven't seen him in 16 days. And I think it's known that athletes have women around them and go out, and there's people trying to get to them everywhere.
Fixing teeth is great.
Baby grandpa, be careful when eating sweets, okay? Don't go too crazy. Let me just brush your.
Crazy. Yes. Hurricanes.
Now your teeth are all white and sparkling clean.
White and sparkly clean.
Thank you for fixing my teeth. It feels a lot better now. Hold on, baby grandpa. I have one more surprise for you. Whoa!
More surprises. Two of them at the same time.
I love surprise toys.
Surprise
Let's
toys.
start by checking out this Sheriff Kelly's
I'll
Wild West
go
Linebacker.
into two apps at the same time. What time? Yeah. Nope.
We got decorations today.
Okay, what's the
Last
second?
surprise toy.
No.
Let's check out this Care Bears Fashions.
Phasms? Care Bears Phasms? What?
Today we got Tender Heart Bear.
Poor bear, what? Squawk? Squawk? Yo.
Well, hope you had fun with baby grandpa today. If you
The fun, and the fun, the very varies in the.
did, be sure to hit that subscribe button for
This is the picture icon.
more awesome videos. See ya!
But then, like, office romances do happen all the time.
I don't want to show that.
Honestly, it never did. It's frustrating when you think something is funny and everyone else isn't really getting the joke. I understand it's a rule that you're not necessarily
Oh,
supposed
whoa.
to hire an assistant that's attractive.
That's the end of this video. That's the end of this video. this video was erased off. Find that part again.